Introducing the Ci1000 from Introbotix, the complete answer for controlled impedance testing. The Ci1000 is an easy-to-learn and simple-to-operate robotic-controlled system, which includes single-source software and hardware, providing reliable TDR testing for manufacturing, developers, and laboratory work. To begin operation, the Ci1000 probe rack is initialized. The probe rack holds the Introbotix patented probe tips. During initialization, each installed probe tip is identified and verified. Depending on the configuration and chosen probe tips, the technology gives trace resolutions as short as 1/2 inch and as long as 100 inches. Before testing, probe tips are verified for proper calibration. Once calibrated, a testing program is selected in the Ci1000 test suite. Required testing data points from CAD/CAM files are imported to allow for precise testing without the need of user interaction. The robotically controlled probe tip moves freely to any test point and able to accurately measure hundreds of test points in moments. Measurement data flows from a signal analyzer into the Ci1000, where it is interpreted and recorded in a database-friendly format for export and analysis. When testing a single board, multiple probes can be called according to their job instructions, so testing doesn't need to stop for operator intervention. The Ci1000 will then prompt that a job is completed and ready for the next project. Once a batch program is set up, the job can be run over and over, relying on preset tooling pins for registration and with minimal user interaction. But in the case of prototyping or one-off testing, the Ci1000 makes it simple to accommodate the need to manually register a board for testing. With the help of video assist on the probe, registration can be performed in moments, and extensive testing can begin. The Ci1000 from Introbotix is the perfect testing and reporting system for those wanting to increase TDR testing through output by 5 to 10 times, and thereby reducing the operating cost for TDR testing. It is far superior to hand probing, eliminating repetitive motion injuries and increasing the reliability of testing. The Ci1000 is the complete answer for controlled impedance testing among testing services, manufacturing facilities, and developers worldwide. Developed and produced by Introbotix, innovators of high-frequency test solutions.